The finish of the night in Holland as Springfield honoring their seniors, taking on Bowling Green. Bobcats up big. Nate Kress with the triple. It's a 25-21 lead. Jabari Conway hitting a three of his own. Springfield late in the third. Zach Andrew making the triple. Cuts it just a two-possession game. Let's go to 12 seconds left now. Springfield down three. Antonio Overton Jr. Somehow late on a Friday night, you got banking hours in Holland. Knocks it in, so we are tied. Last chance, Ryan Jackson. Plenty of controversy. The fact of the matter is, the referee said it was good. Bowling Green escapes overtime, 61-59 in regulation. Jackson had 21 points. Greg Franke caught up with him after the game, and in Jackson's mind, there's no doubt about it, the shot was good.
Scoreboard shows it did, so clearly
what was your first reaction after it went in? Did you think it was too late, or did you think it was just in time?
It was neck and neck, and honestly, I was just looking around at all the refs, and I saw the one go like this, so started celebrating with my team.
Yeah, that was a good move. What about the last play? What did you set up? How did it all materialize that you got the ball?
We wanted to get downhill and get to the basket because all we needed was a two or a foul to get to the free throw line, but they played good defense. We got a volleyball line three. I crashed the boards. The ball came to me, and I was in the right spot at the right time. Got the job done.
And like Ryan Jackson, Jim Strahl knew it was good all the way.
Oh, it was a great atmosphere at Springfield tonight. Senior night, Springfield, last time they played Bowling Green, they got beaten pretty badly. They didn't want that to happen again on their home floor on senior night. And what a game. It was decided in literally the last second. Second time they've lost the game in the last second. And Ryan Jackson got it put back, and everybody seems to be about 50-50 divided on whether he got it off in time, but the officials said he did.
Yeah, officials said they did. That's all that matters. I totally agree with the officials. I thought they got it right. I thought he got it off in time. And it all just goes back to you got to play to the horn and you got to rebound. If they would have rebound, we're not even talking about it.
Yeah, we're playing overtime right now. Well, if the officials and Jim Strahl say it, I guess that settles it. It was a great ball game, though. Springfield had not won. They were on a 13-game losing streak. They lost their really key interior player, and that was tough for them to overcome. And they were down by 11 after the first quarter, but they just really fought, and they hit a three-point shot that looked like was going to force overtime with just 6 seconds left.
Exactly right. Springfield coach has to be real happy because these kids didn't quit all night. They could have rolled over and died when they went down 11, and they fought back to almost squeak one out here at home.
Super ball game tonight. Bowling Green wins it at the buzzer over Springfield.